Hello everybody. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Still raining here. Wow. I can't believe the rain. I wanna show you guys below how it overflowed. I don't know if the water there in the pond overflowing, but let's go there. I wanna show you the water there. Wow. The rain really here did not stop. But our yard here is so clean. Very nice. So please walk there to the pond, guys. Please accompany with me. I took a nap, then when I woke up, oh wow, it's still raining. So I decided to get my phone, then walk here. I'm pretty sure. See the pond? That's the water in the pond. So let's move down there. Ouch. I wear umbrella here, guys. I'm not worried. So I can show you how the water here. How's the water in our pan? So slippery the walkway here. I just wear a boots. It's slippery. I just take my time here to walk. Did not. Oh wow. Did not overflow yet. See the water there, guys? That water came from the road. I wanna zoom it. See? Lots of water. But the pond did not overflowing yet. Might be tomorrow or tonight. Let's move closer. Scary. No, did not overflow yet. So the pipe here is both sides. There's the pipe there for to flow the water. 2 pipe there. As you can see, that one there. Then it will go up there. There is a hole there on the corner. So I think the hole is clogged. That's the second overflowing pipe. So the first one is here. This is the overflowing one here. See that? So I think I wanna walk to that corner. It seems like I can see here dead leaves blocking the pipe. So let's see guys, very scary here. I need to move fast. Oh yeah, all kinds of dead leaves. See, that's our overflowing hose. Oh, it's not quite, he did not reach yet. So, like what I said, like what I said a while ago, that might be tomorrow, water will overflow. It's not clogged here. Have two holes here. This one, second and first. So, it's not clogged. See, the water did not reach yet to the pipe. Wow, so many water really, guys. You know, I don't get it this pan because he will sip to the ground some of the water. So there is a hole below our rice field below. So many water now. Let's walk to the pathway there. To show you the flooding water from the road. It's like a lake. Tons of water. Oh yeah. See the water, guys? So I'm pretty sure tomorrow this one will be overflowing, or tonight. Because the water from the road and the mountain will go down here. But not all, because there are some will divided, will run through the side of the road, and this side is this side road that's the only water we got here. So see guys, the water. You hear the noise? Wow. The water really. Tons of water. I should be careful here. Look. See the water, guys. Scary. I'm pretty sure tomorrow. Let's walk here. This is our friend here, Philip Nick. He's really a smart guy. He did a good job here, collecting water from the road. So this is the path of our flooding water here. Every time we have rain. So let's walk here. Nice flooding. So many water, guys. Tons of water. I can hear the water here. See the water? So many. Wow. Bell paper looking good. This water here just came from the road. Some of it on that side, first line. So somebody's blocking here. I need to drain the water here. I'm not sure if this one will drain. My boat's muddy, slippery. Our beans here. So hard to. Let's walk more, guys. So lovely. My both hands numb now, holding the umbrella and the phone. So I heard the water start.